Hi everybody, and welcome back to Flexmonster Pivot Table and Charts. This is our tips and tricks series where we share how to use our component more efficiently. This time we want to talk about export with your company logo. So let's go to the Export the Report documentation page and find their Export to PDF part. As you can see, there are several properties for performing the export. We need to find the header property. We can use HTML strings and base64 images, and that's exactly what we will do. Let's see how the regular export to PDF works and what the exported file will look like. Now, let's customize it. Let's create a special PDF export handler that will add our logo to the header. Previously, we have prepared our Flexmonster logo in base64 format. You can create your own UI control to call the handler, but we will customize our toolbar to change the default export to PDF to the new one. We will customize the toolbar using the Before Toolbar Created event. What we will do in the Customize Toolbar function is actually find the Export tab, search for the Export to PDF option, and add our customization. Now, let's update our component and see how the new export works. As you can see, it adds a big Flexmonster logo at the top of the page. You can do the same with your company logo and customize it to look your way. So thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.